What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Sundown Audio unofficial YouTube channel. My name's Derek, and in the past we've done some videos showing you how to box subwoofers, how to box an amplifier. So today I thought I'd take the time to show you how we box drop-ins. So I got a drop-in right here. It's ready to go out to the customer, so I'm going to show you what we do. Now, the first rule of shipping, I always say, is bag everything. So I'm going to start by taking a Ziploc bag, and I'm going to drop the dust cap in that. Then this is an SA15 drop-in. I'm gonna take the entire drop-in and I'll put that inside another plastic bag. We keep plastic bags all sizes here. I'm just gonna take it, put it in a big plastic bag. Bring it around, tuck the bag inside the coil. I already got my box ready to go. In this case, since I'm shipping a 15-inch drop-in, I'm using a 16-inch cube. Now in the past, I normally say box everything really tight. Since this is a drop-in, it's lightweight, and it's also a little more fragile. You can't package stuff super tight in here because you could end up damaging the cone, damaging the surround. So when I package drop-ins, I do a little bit looser of a suspension type package to basically get it mounted right in the middle and have some cushion top and bottom, give it some movement. So I'm gonna show you what I do. First, I'm gonna start off with just some paper. We keep rolls of paper around here for packing. You can use any kind of newspaper, notebook paper, whatever you got. But I'm just gonna put some paper in the bottom of the box, get a little cushion in the bottom. Then I'm gonna take some bubble wrap. I'm gonna spread out a big piece of bubble wrap. It's gonna hold the subwoofer. So it's gonna be on the bottom of it, help protect it. Take another big piece of bubble wrap, lay down over the top of the subwoofer. And not full sub, drop in. Then take me another piece of paper. Go around the top. So I filled up my box, got everything in there tight, but not so tight it's hurting the cone, hurting the surround. And then that's it. Then I'm gonna close it up. So the goal is to get the drop-in mounted in the middle of the box, have some cushion on below, some cushion on top. I got the bubble wrap, the plastic bag is bagged in, protecting it all the way around. You got it where if I shake it around, it's not jostling, shaking, it's cushioned perfect there in the middle. If it takes a hit, it's got some cushion below it, even if it doesn't on the side, whatever, it's cushioned all the way around. About the only way you can hurt this is if you ran over it with a truck. Other than that, this will take every hit it can withstand. So hopefully that helps you out if you ever need to package something similar. I highly recommend going to places like Staples, Home Depot, buy a good box. All our boxes are heavy duty, double wall boxes here. Remember to bag everything. Good packing material like bubble wrap, paper, styrofoam, they all work great. But guys, if you like what we're doing here on the channel, remember to click that thumbs up button, like, subscribe, share. Let me know what you think in the comments. Until next time, see y'all then.